We all know that the high price of electricity has constantly been in the news in recent times. It's no surprise that the general public and businesses alike are fed up with the never-ending round of price increases. At the same time, we all want to do everything we can to look after our planet. Climate change and reducing our carbon footprint has never been as important as it is today. So wouldn't it be great if we could significantly reduce our energy bills and do something really positive to help protect our environment? If you think that's just a pipe dream, well, it's not. The people behind Sustainable Power are engineers from the Subaru World Rally Championship team, who after having won 7 World Championships decided to turn their attention to energy efficiency. As a result, they have developed a truly innovative solution. Our Spice2E micro-combined heat and power appliance, mCHP for short, is a small floor-standing gas engine-based appliance that delivers 2 kilowatt-hours of electrical output alongside a 7.5 kilowatt-hour thermal output. And at just the size of a hotel minibar fridge, it's very compact. Installed alongside the existing heating plant, the Spice2E is intended to work as the primary heat source in a building. But it also produces electricity for just 4 pence per kilowatt hour, the cost of gas that the appliance uses, as opposed to paying 14.5 pence per kilowatt hour for electricity via the national grid. That's a huge saving of 10.5 pence on every kilowatt hour. And as the cost differential between gas and electricity is set to widen further in the coming years, the savings will become even greater. The appliance has almost twice the electricity generating capacity and at least double the energy efficiency of any competing mCHP. As well as producing low-cost electricity, the Spice2E delivers heat to the hot water system and supplies over 4,300 litres of hot water at 75 degrees centigrade on a daily basis. The generation of electricity through a centralised system is highly carbon inefficient, with at least 65% of the energy lost. The Spice2E, however, is highly carbon efficient, losing only 3% of energy in the generation of heat and electricity. That means it's 62% more energy efficient than electricity from the grid. In fact, by using the Spice2E, an organisation is able to reduce its carbon footprint by over 5 tonnes per annum. And it gets even better. The government rewards this carbon reduction by paying a feed-in tariff of 13.2 pence per kilowatt-hour generated, plus a further 2.3 pence per kilowatt-hour on any electricity exported to the national grid. So in effect, this means that the Spice2E can generate electricity at minus 11.5 pence per kilowatt-hour. On average, each unit is expected to generate net energy bill savings of approximately £4,000 per year at today's energy prices. However, providing there's sufficient heat demand on a site, the unit can run 24/7, and in doing so can generate energy savings of over £45,000 over the 10-year contract period. So, where can we install the Spice2E? The unit is ideally suited for small to medium-sized enterprises, community housing and large national and regional chain outlets. We estimate the size of the immediate addressable market for SME installations alone to be at least 1.2 million locations. We conservatively plan to have installed around 9,000 units by year 3 and 27,000 units by year 5. However, following the widespread introduction of smart meters and time charging in 2016, we intend to offer the unit to the larger residential market. To maximise adoption, we plan to provide the majority of our mCHP units under 10-year contracts at zero cost to the customer. The Spice2E is also capable of running off LPG, which increases our market potential considerably, as there are over 2 million businesses and properties in the UK which are off-grid and pay considerably more for their energy bills. Sustainable power, leading the way in the generation of low-cost, carbon-efficient energy.